Worksheet 3 of Algebraic Expressions chapter of class 7. In this exercise, we have learned about the product of binomial by a binomial. Okay. 5x plus 3 is also binomial and 2x plus 4 is also a binomial. Product of binomial by binomial. Okay. 5x plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 4. Now, the first 5x multiply by 2x plus 4 and 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 4. The first number is multiplied to the whole binomial and second multiplied to the whole. Now, the same process, the product of monomial to a binomial. 5x into 2x and 5x into 4. The 5x is multiplied in the 2x and 4. Similarly, 3 is multiplied to 2x and 3 is multiplied to 4. Now, 5 to the 10, product x into x is x square. 5, 4, 20x. 3 to the 6x and 3 plus 4, 12. Now, arrange the like terms. This is the x square term. These are the like terms, 20x and 6x. It means 26x. We can add these like terms and 12. This is the answer of the first. Okay. Similarly, second one. 2 by 5a plus b multiplied to a square minus 1 by 5b square. This question is from your worksheet 3. Similarly, 2 by 5, it means first number 2 by 5a multiplied to the whole bracket. A square minus 1 by 5 b square. Similarly, second number is b. b multiplied to a square minus 1 by 5 b square. Now, 2 by 5a into a square minus 2 by 5a multiplied to 1 by 5 b square. b into a square minus 1 by 5 b square into b. b multiplied to this. b multiplied. Now solve 2 by 5 a cube. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 by 25 a b square. This number is a square b. a square b. a square b minus 1 by 5 b cube. कोई भी लाइक टर्म नहीं है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं ऐड होगा. द आंसर रिमेन्स द सेम. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज fourth part of question 1. m square n minus n multiplied to 6 minus mn square. Same process, the first number multiplied to the whole bracket and second number multiplied to this whole bracket. m square n multiplied to 6 minus mn square and minus 5 multiplied to 6 minus mn square. Just multiply mn square into 6 minus m square n into mn square. m square n into mn square. Minus 5 into 6 minus minus 5. This is a thing. Minus multiplied by minus is plus and 5 into mn square. Now, 6 m square n minus m cube n cube m 3 and n 3 minus 30 plus 5 m n square. इसमें भी कोई like term नहीं है. There is no like term in this. Therefore, the answer remains the same. And the sixth, one more example. Same process, 1.1x multiplied to 1.1x minus 2.7y. Similarly, plus 2.7y multiplied to 1.1 1x minus 2.7y. Same. Now 1.1 into 1.1 is 1.21 x square minus 1.1 into 2.7 2.97 xy. 1.1 multiplied to this and 1.1 multiplied to this right here. Similarly, same. Next 2.7y multiplied to this. 11 7. 2.97 xy. And minus 2.7y into 2.7y is 7.29 y square. The same number minus and plus cancel. The answer is 1.21 x square minus 7.29 y square. This can be done by using the formula a plus b and a minus b. The product of a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay. Next, question number 2. Multiply the following binomials and verify the result for the given values. Number 1. 2x square minus 5y multiplied by 5x plus 2y square. And verify for x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. Verify means the LHS and RHS. The values of LHS and RHS remains the same. Jinnu. M plus n multiplied by 2m minus 3n and verify for m equal to minus 2 and n equal to 0. First multiply m to the 2m minus 3n plus n multiplied to 2m minus 3n. Same process. First multiply m into 2m is 2m square minus 3mn plus 2mn minus 3n square. The answer is 2m square minus mn minus 3n square. Minus 3mn plus 2mn like terms. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Okay. Now put the values in LHS. M plus n 2m minus 3n. M equal to minus 2. It means minus 2 plus 0. And 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into 0. It means this number is minus 2 and this number is minus 4. 0, 3 into 0 is 0. Answer is 8. Okay. Now in RHS. 2m square minus mn minus 3n square. 2m square, 2 into minus 2 square. Minus m into n, 0, and 3 into 0 square. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. This number is 0. This is also 0. 0 multiplied by any number is remains the 0. 2 4 is 8. LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Okay. Now question number 3 is simplify the following. Simplify means just binomial multiplied, binomial by binomial, binomial by binomial, and add the terms, like terms, add and subtract. Okay. See, 2x, simplify, multiply first number to the bracket, second number to the bracket. Same process. In this, first number multiplied to the bracket and second number multiplied to the bracket. Multiply 2x into 3x is 6x square. 2xy minus 3 3 is 9 xy minus 3y square. Multiplied into same x square minus xy. Multiply x into x and this, and 2xy minus 2y square. Now rearrange the numbers. First x square, 6x square plus x square, and 2xy minus 9xy minus xy plus 2xy. Collect all the xy, and last 3y square minus 2y square. This minus 2y square and minus 3y square. Rearrange the like terms. 6x square plus x square is 7x square, and xy plus xy is 2 to 4xy plus and minus 10. This is the minus 10xy minus minus these two and plus 4. This is the rough. The answer is minus 6xy. Minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. And minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5. This is the answer of this question. Simplify. One more. Third one. 7abc plus b square multiplied to 7 minus bc plus c multiplied to 2b cube minus 9ab. Now first 7abc multiplied to 7 minus bc and b square multiplied to 7 minus bc. In this, c into 2b cube minus c into 9ab. The answer is 7 into 7 49 abc minus 7 a b square c square. 7 abc multiplied to this bc, b2 हो जाएंगे, c2 a1. Same 7b square minus b cube c. b square into b is b cube into c. This is 2b cube c minus 9abc. Rearrange 49abc minus 7abc. This one 9abc, sorry. 49abc minus 9abc. This is the like terms. Minus 7 a b square c square plus 7b square 2b cube c minus c cube 1b cube c. The answer is 49 minus 9 40 abc. Arrange. This is the answer. Okay. The last, p plus q multiplied to p square minus q square and p minus q multiplied to p square plus q square. P multiplied to p square minus q square and q multiplied to p square minus q square. In this, p multiplied to p square plus q square and minus q multiplied to p square plus q square. P into p square is p cube minus p q square. P square cube minus q into q square is q cube. Similarly, p cube plus p q square minus p square cube minus q cube. Now see, minus pq square plus pq square plus pq square minus pq square cancel. P square cube cancel. Only p cube plus p cube 2p cube and minus q cube 2q cube. This is the simplification of this question. Okay. A square plus b square multiplied to a square plus b square minus a square minus b square multiplied to a square minus b square. The first a square multiplied to a square plus b square and b square multiplied to a square plus b square. Minus means multiplied in the whole. It means a square multiplied to a square minus b square minus b square multiplied to a square minus b square. Okay. Now multiplied a square into a square is a raised to power 4 plus a square b square. In this a square b square plus b raised to power 4 minus. Now multiply a raised to power 4 minus a square b square minus a square b square plus b raised to power 4. Plus means minus into minus plus. Now the answer is a raised to power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to power 4 minus. Minus means multiplied minus in the whole bracket. It means a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square and minus. It means plus. Minus b raised to power 4. Now b raised to power 4 cancel. A raised to power 4 cancel. Plus and minus both cancel. The answer is 4a square b square. 2a square plus b square. 2a square plus b square. Okay.